Hey dancers, it's Mrs. Selman again. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do an Afro-Caribbean dance step. Afro-Caribbean dance was created by African people that were brought to the Caribbean islands during slavery. Afro-Caribbean dance is used around the world for many different celebrations like weddings, birthdays, and more. Let's get started. Everyone, start with your feet apart. Now let's find our right foot. We'll start with bringing our right knee up with a flexed foot. A flexed foot is when you pull your toes all the way back and press your heel forward. Once your knee is up, you can put it back down. Then pick up your left foot flexed and put it back down. We will do that twice. Let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, pick it up, put it down, pick it up, put it down. One more time, pick it up, put it down, pick it up, and put it down. Great job, dancers. Now, let's add the arms. Start with your arms straight up. You'll bring them down, then up, then down, then up. And you'll do that 2 times. This is what it looks like using both your arms and your legs. Bring them down, up, right knee up, left knee up. Let's try that all together, dancers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms go down, up, right knee up, left knee up. For the next step, you're going to start with your right foot and do a side step. It'll look like this. Step out, step in, step out, step in. Now you'll go the opposite way with the left leg. Step out, step in, step out, step in. Now let's do both sides together. 5, 6, 7, 8, step out, step in, step out, step in, out, in, out, in. Wonderful. Now I'll teach you the arms. Your left hand can rest above your knee. Your right arm will go up and down. It's kind of like you're a bird flapping one wing at a time. Let's try the same movement with the left arm. Up and down. You'll do both sides 2 times. Let's try just the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8, go up, down, other side, down, up, down. Now, let's try the arms and the legs. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, step it out, step it in, step it out, step it in, out, in, out, in. Yay! Great job, dancers. Now you know how to do Afro-Caribbean dance as a celebration. I hope you had just as much fun as I did. Thanks for dancing with me. See you later.